You're gonna love this chocolate gâteau. Butter a cake pan and dust the inside with flour. Line the bottom of the pan with parchment paper and butter the paper and dust with flour. Combine flour and cocoa powder. Sift and set aside. Heat water in a saucepan and bring to a simmer. Place a heat-proof bowl over the water and add the chocolate chips. Stir until the chocolate is melted. Add butter to the chocolate and let it melt completely. Separate the eggs, placing egg whites in a large bowl and the yolks in another. Add salt to the egg whites and beat until they are foamy. Begin adding 7 tablespoons of sugar in 2 to 3 separate additions. Beat after each addition. Continue beating until stiff peaks are formed. Add the rest of the sugar to the egg yolks and beat until creamy. Stir in the heavy whipping cream. Then stir in the melted chocolate chips. Stir in the flour and cocoa powder mixture. And then stir in 1/3 of the meringue into the batter. Add the rest of the meringue and gently fold until the color is uniform. Pour the batter into the cake pan and give it several taps on the counter to bring up any air bubbles. Bake at 375 for 10 minutes. Then reduce the temperature to 340 degrees and bake for 30 to 35 minutes, or until a toothpick pulls out moist crumbs when inserted into the center of the cake. Transfer the dish to a rack and let it cool completely. As it cools, it may slightly deflate. Run a knife along the edge of the pan and carefully turn the cake over onto a cake stand. Decorate with a dusting of powdered sugar and fruit before serving.